thank you for joining me today to learn how to add products to your Posterita point of sale system. Once we've gotten your original account set up, the most important thing is to add products so that you can start selling. So let's look at how to add products. Let's go to the home screen, and we're going to click on items on the right and hit add items. This will bring up a form in which you can input your product information. So our product is going to be called gum. Now the product description is important because this is actually the product description is important because this is what's actually going to be printed out on the receipt. So we'll add our selling price, which will be 80 cents, and our purchase price will be 50 cents. Under UPC, this is where we will enter in the barcode number. So I'm just going to manually enter that in. You do have the option to scan in your items using a barcode scanner as well with Posterita. Units per pack, I'll just put 1 because we're selling it by packs of gum. Now product type is interesting because Posterita can actually sell items or services. In this case we're doing gum, so we'll put item. Tax category, we'll add in our value-added tax, and then units of measurement is also very handy because if you look at this drop-down list, Posterita has many different units of measurements available to track your products with. In this case we'll just do each. And then the primary group is going to be chewing gum. Now, if we go down here, group 1 is actually the beginning of subcategorizing your items. So in group 1, I'm just going to put dentine gum. Now, you have the ability to track up to 8 subcategories of products. So this is great for industries such as retail, where you have a pack of or different t-shirts, but you also have cotton t-shirts, red t-shirts, and then different size t-shirts. So you can basically do these subcategories as detailed as you need them to be. Then I'm going to click Save. It's actually going to save my item, and you'll notice up here on the left-hand side, it now reflects the 80-cent sale price, and then the cross-through price is actually the original sale price, which in this case is just 80 cents. Over here you also have the capability of adding a picture of your item as well, which just adds a user-friendly element to the system. So now that our product is saved, let's go to the Make a Sale screen. Now notice that we added gum to the product list, but over here on our list of products that we have in the system so far, we do not see gum. So what you have to do to update the system is to go ahead and log out and then log back in. So now we're logged back in, and you see that my chewing gum category has been updated. Now let's go ahead and add our dentine gum to our sales receipt. Then we'll also add a sports drink. Let's add Gatorade. Now notice here that this is the actual sales receipt that your customer will have printed out. So it's really nice because you can see all the items very clearly. Look down here, you see the subtotal, and then the system automatically adds in the value-added tax. Now there is an option, if you choose, where you can actually have your sales prices to include the tax on your items, if that's how you choose to sell. So let's go and find that option real quick. I'm going to go to the home screen, and we are going to go back into items, and then let's click on View Price List. So to find this option, we just want to click on your store price list and then hit Edit. Notice that there's a tick box here that says Includes Tax. This is just indicating that your sales price will include the tax on the item. So if you want to add this option in, because that's how you do your pricing in your operation, simply tick the box and hit Save, and then log out and log back in to cache and update the system. And that's it. Thanks for joining me today to learn how to input products into your Posterita point of sale, and happy selling.